Hello guys, welcome back for another video and welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. I hope you've been doing great. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, we thank you for always supporting us. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a little bit different video, and as the video goes on, you will understand why we are doing a very different video this time, and I hope you will enjoy it. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. In today's video, we are going to be making a shoe rack, which will be used as an entryway shoe rack, where we will be putting our shoes after coming or taking shoes when we are going out. So I hope you enjoy the video. So this video, I said it's different because unfortunately I lost some footages where we did the cutting for the pieces of wood, but nevertheless I have all the details with me. So I hope you will enjoy the video. Now here, as you can see on the screen, is the middle part for the shoe rack, whereby it measures 3 feet. This is the part between the base and the upper shelf for this shoe rack. We did cut these shelves which we are using on this shoe rack. We did cut 6 pieces, 3 pieces at each side. They measure 8 inches and 1 foot each. So that is the measurements if you want to make yours, but you can also play with the measurements and make ones of your desire. This is the design we decided to use while mounting or putting the shelves for our shoe rack. We decided to go with this pattern because it allowed us to drill through to the other shelves, because when you put at the same level, it will be difficult for you to drill them on the main board. So we decided to go with this design so that it will be easier. It will add some taste on this shoe rack. This upper shelf, you can make any design of your own, but as you can see on the screen, this is the design that we decided to put on our shoe rack. This part you can put a decoration item or anything of your liking. Even you can put some flowers or anything that you like. And then for the base, the measurements are 9 inches by 9 inches for the base, and then the other measurements are from the top. The height for the base only is 4 inches. Yeah, so that is the base for our shoe rack. So you make sure that your base will support the upper part for this design of this shoe rack. So guys, from here is the only footages or videos that I was left with. So now this is the part where I use this contact glue and some lipping tape and this formica, this white sheet, to cover my shoe rack so that it will be neat. So after that, I think we will be through, and then you will see the final reveal of our product. And I hope that you have enjoyed the video, even though I know you have not seen all the details. But if you really want to see how I made this shoe rack, you can comment down below in the comment section, and then tell me if you want me to make another full video or another design for a shoe rack, so that you will understand or learn one or two from us. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell below so that you always get notified when we upload new videos. And don't forget to like this video, comment down below, tell me what you think, and yeah, we will really appreciate it.